In this question, I will illustrate the method of finding out the direction of friction, and I will tell you a very important fact about the direction of friction. And starting from that fact, that the direction of friction always depends on the relative velocity. So if the relative velocity is in the forward direction, then the direction of friction will be towards the backward direction. So direction of friction always opposes the relative velocity direction. So considering this fact, and one more important thing is that the direction of friction does not depend on the relative acceleration, or it does not depend on the relative force. So considering this fact that the direction of friction is only dependent on the relative velocity, so we can see that for this block E, it has a relative velocity in forward direction with respect to D, and block E is moving with a relative velocity of 1 meters per second in forward direction with respect to D. So the friction will be acting on block E in backward direction. Okay, so this is the direction of friction, F1 acting on E, Fe. Now this block D will be acted upon by a friction which is in the forward direction, acting on this block D, Fd, because the friction is an action reaction pair. I mean to say that if D is applying the friction on E in a backward direction, then E will apply the friction on D in forward direction. And due to another fact that this D is having a relative velocity with respect to E in backward direction in the left hand side, so the friction acting on D will be towards right hand side. Now this D is moving with respect to C in backside, I mean to say in left hand direction. So the friction acting on this block D due to C will be in forward direction. So this will be in forward direction, friction on D due to C, and therefore by this action reaction concept we can say that friction acting on C due to D will be in backward direction, FCD, friction on C due to D. Also due to the fact that C is moving faster than D, so the relative velocity of C with respect to D is in the right hand side, therefore the friction which will act on C will be towards left hand side. Again, by considering the same concept, we can see that B is moving faster than C. So the friction acting on C due to B, FCB, friction acting on C due to B, will be in forward direction, and friction acting on B due to C will be in reverse direction, FBC. Now A is moving in backward direction, so the relative velocity of A with respect to B will be in backward direction. Okay, so the friction acting on A with respect due to B, the friction acting on A due to B will be in forward direction, friction on A due to B, and the block B is acting in block B is moving towards right side and block A is moving towards left side, and therefore block B has a relative velocity towards right side. So block B will be having the friction due to A towards the left side. So this is friction on B due to A. So you just need to find out the direction of relative velocity between two blocks, and if a block is relatively moving in forward direction, then friction will oppose its motion and friction will act on that block in reverse direction. So that's it. This was the question which is based on the calculation of the direction of friction. Thank you. Now again in this question we need to find out the direction of friction acting on these blocks, and we already have discussed that direction of friction does not depends on the force or accelerations. In fact, it only depends on the relative velocities. So we can see that both A and B are moving in left hand side direction, and the velocity of A is less than the velocity of B. So B is moving faster than A, therefore A has a relative velocity with respect to B in right hand side. The relative velocity of A with respect to B is in right hand side, you can calculate, and therefore the friction acting on A due to B. So this will be FA due to B. Friction acting on A due to B will be in the forward direction, left hand side. Now as B is moving faster in left hand side, so the relative velocity of B with respect to A will be in left hand side, and therefore the friction acting on B due to A will be towards right hand side in the backward direction. F friction acting on B due to A. And if we need to calculate the direction of friction of ground on B, then we can say that as B is moving in left hand direction, therefore the friction acting on that B block will be towards right side, towards backward direction. This is friction of ground, F ground. Okay, now we move on the next question.